Hello, and welcome to the Future FX. In this video, we will understand how to download and install MT5 platform. Go to our website futurefx.com. Click on the Platform tab. Under the drop-down menu, you will see the options to download MT5 for Android, MT5 for iOS, and MT5 for Windows. Download your desired platform. The MT5 setup file will be downloaded on your computer. Run the setup and follow the instructions. Once the setup is downloaded, you will be able to open a demo or real account, or log in into an existing trading account. Go to File menu, and click on Open an Account option. Open an account window will appear. You will see Future FX Broker in the list. If you are not able to see Future FX in the list, search in the blank window and click on Find Your Broker tab. Click Next. In this window, you will be able to open demo or real account. You will also able to log into your existing account. To open a demo account, check the Open Demo Account to trade virtual money without risk, and click Next. Input your personal details and check to agree with terms and conditions. Click Next. Congratulations, your demo account is ready to trade with virtual money without risk. On successful login, the MT5 terminal will open. Make sure the server connection is established. If you want to add symbols, right-click anywhere on Market Watch. Click on Symbols. A new window will appear. Click on the market you desire. At the right side window, you will see the list in the particular group. Double-click on the symbol to add in a market watch. To buy or sell any instrument, just double-click on the symbol in the market watch. The new window will appear. You can modify your trade symbol, trade volume, trade type, and trade direction in this window. Place your trade. Congratulations, you have just initiated your first trade. Thank you very much for watching this video and happy trading. Future FX. Futuristic way of trading.